In this video, I'll show you how you can get Sims 4 for free on your PC. Now first what you want to do is head over to Steam, install Steam and create an account. Now this is super simple, just make the account, follow the instructions, and once you have installed Steam, what you want to do is log into Steam, open it up and head over to the store. From in here you can simply search for Sims 4, choose the first one, which is this one, come down a little bit and press add to library or play game. Now when you do that, it's going to ask you to install Sims. As you can see right here, it's going to ask me to install, and once you install it, it's going to go into your library where you can select it and press play. Now it is really that simple. As you can see, I have it here, so I'll just install it and press play and then you can play it. Now this is completely free if you use it through Steam, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.